Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're making fermented sweet potato fries using our fermented vegetable kit. Fermenting your sweet potatoes is a really fun trick because it's almost like pre-seasoning your fries. Plus, they're fermented, so you can feel better about eating them. This is a super short ferment. You only need 3 days, and then they work great either baked or fried. Now let's get started making our fermented sweet potato fries. For this recipe, you're going to want 3 to 4 large sweet potatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 tablespoon hot pepper flakes. First up, grab a big bowl of water, and then we're going to cut these sweet potatoes into fry shape. First, we just cut off the ends, slice lengthwise, and then cut into individual fries. I'm leaving the peel on because I kind of like sweet potato fries with the skin, but if you don't, you can definitely peel these and then continue cutting them into fries. Once in the perfect fry shape, you'll want to keep these in the bowl of water while you prep everything else. Repeat for all sweet potatoes. It's really helpful when you're making sweet potato fries to have sweet potatoes that are all starting off roughly the same size so that you can get fries that are all roughly the same size. Now keep these submerged and add more water if needed. You don't want them to start browning or oxidizing. Add 2 tablespoons of salt to 1 quart of water to make your brine. For sweet potato fries, the best way to load it is side-loaded. It's the easiest way to make sure that you can fit the maximum number of fries into your fermenter. We do the same thing with carrot sticks. Look at how many we can get in there. And tucking the last ones in. There we go. And that water is just going to be tossed. To the fermenter, we're going to tuck in those 2 garlic cloves and top with the red pepper flakes. Then add our glass fermentation weight and pour over our brine. You'll want all those sweet potato fries to be fully submerged in the brine. Then top with your lid and airlock and ferment for 3 days. After 3 days, your sweet potato fries are ready to cook. You're going to want to strain them and then pat them really, really dry before you either bake, air fry, or fry. They're delicious no matter how you cook them. Check out FarmSteady.com for all our recipes and our DIY kits, and please subscribe to this channel. We're going to be coming out with tons of fun new recipe videos all season long.